Water element, people get along well with what element people. And why? The concept of water element people and their compatibility with other elemental types is often associated with various belief systems, including astrology, Chinese philosophy, such as the five elements theory, and other cultural traditions. It's essential to note that these ideas are largely symbolic and lack scientific evidence. However, for the sake of exploration, I'll provide an overview based on common interpretations. Earth element, compatibility. Reasoning, water is often seen as nourishing and sustaining, similar to how water supports the growth of plants. Earth represents stability and practicality. Water and earth can complement each other well, creating a harmonious balance. Water nourishes earth, and earth provides a solid foundation for water to flow. Fire element, compatibility. Reasoning, water and fire are often seen as opposing elements. Water can control or extinguish fire, and fire can turn water into steam. However, in some interpretations, the contrast can be complementary. For example, water can help temper the impulsive nature of fire, while fire can bring warmth and enthusiasm to water's sometimes passive qualities. Air element, compatibility. Reasoning, water and air are generally considered compatible as both elements are associated with fluidity and change. Air can carry and disperse water, and water can take the form of mist or clouds in the air. The combination can symbolize adaptability and a free-flowing, dynamic relationship. Another water element, compatibility. Reasoning, similar elemental types often get along well due to shared characteristics. Water people might understand and connect with each other's emotional depth and sensitivity. However, there's also a risk of potential stagnation or excessive emotional intensity, so balance is key. Water element, people often have problems with people of what element. In various belief systems and cultural traditions that involve elemental personality traits, it's often suggested that people associated with the water element may face challenges or conflicts with individuals of the fire element. Again, it's crucial to stress that these associations are symbolic and lack scientific basis. However, for the sake of exploration, here's an explanation based on common interpretations. Fire element, potential challenges. Reasoning, water and fire are seen as opposing elements in many traditions. Fire is associated with passion, assertiveness, and dynamic energy, while water is linked to emotions, adaptability, and a more passive or reflective nature. The potential for conflict arises from the contrasting qualities of these elements. Fire's intensity may clash with water's desire for emotional depth and tranquility. Fire may find water too passive or overly emotional, while water might feel overwhelmed or stifled by fire's assertiveness. Resolution strategies. Communication is key. Water and fire individuals can work on understanding and appreciating each other's differences. Finding common ground and shared activities can help build a connection. Both parties need to be mindful of their tendencies and make an effort to compromise. Water element people should have a lover of what element. In belief systems and traditions that associate personality traits with elemental elements, there is often an idea that individuals with a dominant water element might find compatibility with individuals of the earth element. Again, it's important to stress that these associations are symbolic and lack empirical evidence. However, for the sake of exploration, let's delve into the reasoning behind the suggestion of water and earth elements being complementary. Earth element, potential compatibility. Reasoning, water and earth are often seen as harmonious elements. Water nourishes the earth, supporting growth and stability. This symbolic relationship is used to represent compatibility in personality dynamics. Earth is associated with traits such as stability, practicality, and groundedness, while water is linked to emotions, adaptability, and intuition. The idea is that the stabilizing qualities of earth can provide a solid foundation for the emotional depth and fluidity of water. Potential positive dynamics. Earth individuals may provide a sense of security and reliability to water individuals. Water individuals may bring emotional depth and intuition to the relationship. The combination may create a well-rounded partnership with a balance of practicality and emotional sensitivity. It's important to approach these associations with a considerable degree of skepticism, as human relationships are incredibly complex and influenced by a multitude of factors. elemental symbolism should be viewed as a metaphorical or symbolic tool for self-reflection, rather than a strict guide for relationship choices. In reality, the success of a romantic relationship depends on the compatibility of personalities, shared values, effective communication, mutual respect, and various other factors. It's not advisable to base relationship decisions solely on elemental associations or any other form of pseudoscience. Genuine connections are built on understanding, empathy, and the ability to navigate life's challenges together.